Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are doing well. Children, mother or mom or ma is a word that fills everyone with emotion. Children, in the previous class, you have studied that mother is the greatest magician in the world. Here you will study what are the contribution of a mother towards a child, towards the whole society. As you know, children, mother is the symbol of affection. She is the symbol of a sacrifice. She is the symbol of a love. And she is an epitome of sacrifice for the whole human society. Or she is the most important figure in the family. She is the emotional backbone of the family. So students, today I am going to recite the poem Mom. You listen to the recitation of the poem attentively. Poem Mom. Mom, you are like an angel sent from up above with all your kindness, tenderness and everlasting love. You have always looked after me and taught me right from wrong. And when I am down and worried, it's always you that come along. You are not just mom, but a friend of mine. A friend I can't replace. And every time I think of you, all I see is your smiling face. I thank you, mom. I thank you, mom, for bearing me and allowing me to see these times. Because if it was not for you, dear mother, I could never write down these lines. So students, now let us have a relook at the first stanza of the poem. Mom, you are like an angel. Angel means messenger of a God. Mom, you are like an angel. So children, in the previous class, I have told you the famous quotes of the renowned author Rudyard Kipling that God could not be everywhere and therefore He made mothers. God could not be everywhere and therefore He made mothers. So God made mothers as the angels. So as the angel, or God made the mother as an angel. So where the God cannot reach, the mother will reach there, like the messenger of a God, like the messenger of a God. So here the poetess tell, Mom, you are like an angel sent from up above. Mom, you are like an angel sent from up above. So here up above means from the heaven. Up above means from the heaven. So, mother, you are the messenger of a God and you are sent by the Almighty God from the heaven with all your kindness. With all your kindness. Kindness means the state of being kind. Mother is the figure of a kindness. So, with all your kindness and tenderness, tenderness here means affectionate behavior. The softness that is associated with the mother. So here tenderness means affectionate behavior. With all your kindness, tenderness and everlasting love. Everlasting means something that lasts forever. Something which is not a temporary. Something that will continue forever. That love that will continue forever is called the everlasting love. Children, you must have marked, a mother's love is not conditional love. It is unconditional love. A mother loves her child unconditionally without expecting anything from the child. So, she is the symbol of a sacrifice in the family. She is the backbone of the family. She is the emotional backbone of the family. So, here the poetess tells that mother, you are just like the messenger of a God, and you are sent by the Almighty God from the heaven. And what? And you are a figure of a kindness. You are the symbol of a kindness, and you are the symbol of a tenderness. And also your love is not conditional. Your love lasts forever. So children, this is the theme of the first stanza of the poem. So let us have a look at the new words from the first stanza of the poem. The first word is angel. Angel means messenger of a God. Messenger of God. Then the second word is kindness. Kindness means the state of being kind. The state of being kind, or an act of kind assistance. An act of kind assistance. Then the next word is tenderness. Tenderness means affectionate behavior. Affectionate behavior. So tenderness means affectionate behavior. Then the last word is everlasting. Everlasting means something that lasts forever. Something that lasts forever. So children, so here are the new words from the first stanza of the poem. Angel means messenger of God. Then kindness means the state of being kind, or an act of kind assistance. Then tenderness means affectionate behavior, and everlasting means something that lasts forever. So children, here are some homeworks for you. Try to use these new words into meaningful sentences of your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.